Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the front-facing webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the front-facing webcam ribbon cable from the system board. Carefully separate the front-facing webcam from the adhesive on the camera frame and remove. Replacement. Insert the front-facing webcam ribbon cable into the front-facing webcam ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Place the front-facing webcam into position on the camera frame and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place.